Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2020 video tutorial. The next one in the series of very short videos. I want to take a look at the Loft command in Inventor, and I want to review the same or similar scenarios as I did before in CATIA and NX. So I've got the triangle and a circle, and in CATIA and NX it was necessary to make some points here on that circle, but in Inventor not necessary. Just go for the Loft command, switch to surfaces, select the triangle and then the circle, and it will split that circle in parts which have a similar length to the according triangle sides. So that's a triangle with sides which are equally in length. So it will part that circle into arcs which have the same length. So that's quite easy and convenient to do. Let's hide or delete this one and take a look at the second scenario, which I did in the other two programs. So those profiles looked something like this. Okay, sort of irregular shaped hexagons, and again I can go for the Loft, go for surface, select one, select the second, and you will get this. So it already looks quite good, but it needs some improvement. So if you take a look here, those edges are not convenient. In order to change that, you could something similar as in NX and CATIA. So go to transition and disable the automatic mapping, which will allow you to move those sort of couplings or edges, whatever you would want to call it. In NX it were the points. So I could move, for example, let's take a look. Yeah, that's the first set. That's kind of hard to see. That's this one. If you switch here, it will go to this one. Third set is that one. And as I want to change this, I want to put this point right there. Click. Yeah, it should snap. Now it snapped. Okay. And I also want to move the fourth set, which is this one, again to the same point. No, now I got it. See, and that's a very defined surface right here. Same on the other side. It's very similar to the coupling or the points in those other two programs. So let's see, let's go for the last one, set 8. It's this one. This should go maybe over here. And set 7 of points is this one. This might go again to this one. Like that. No. It should turn green now. Okay? And this would result in such a shape. And if you want to add or delete those couplings or points, just go there, and I could, of course, let's see, go to transition. Which one is which? I think that's set 6. Yes, you could just delete it by pressing delete, and it's gone. And if you add one or want to add one, go to click to add, and then just click on one edge here and there, and you get a new coupling or point set. And of course you can move this one, that's the last one, set 8, to this point and that point. And okay, and I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. Hope it is helpful or was helpful. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please leave a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.